Hey guys, in this video we're gonna be checking out the top 5 best indestructible dog toys that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Chew King Fetch Balls. Chew King Fetch Balls are a great, lightweight option for dogs to play with all day long. It is made from a 1/2 pound of solid rubber, with a 3-inch thick diameter. Even the most aggressive chewers will find it difficult to tear through this toy. Besides, you can now play with your pooch even at night. Because of their glowing in the dark feature, this makes it very easy to find even in the dark. It's available in 2 sizes and can withstand heavy and sturdy chews. Apart from its long durability span, Chew King Fetch Balls have a safety air vent that protects the dog's tongue from sticking. Besides, it is very vivid because of its various colors. It also bounces well while retaining its shape. And to crown it all, it's very light and makes for easy carrying. Moving on at number 4, we have the XL Rope Dog Toys for aggressive chewers. This package comes with 3 durable dog ropes for playing tug with your pooch. These ropes will make you and your pooch purely excited while doing your exercises. They are great in alleviating boredom in your aggressive chewing pooch. These ropes don't contain any lead, phthalate, and cadmium. Even though they are highly durable, but they can still wear down. Remember to discard them when they tear off. They have been tested and approved for use of your pet pooch as they don't contain traces of heavy metals such as lead and cadmium. They also give a 100% money guarantee. At number 3, we have the Westpaw Zogoflex Hurley Dog Bone Toy. The Hurley Bone Chew Toy is one of those chew toys that don't get grimy for being in the mouth of your pooch for long. It's 100% floatable and makes fetching in the water an enjoyable game that you can play with your pooch. They are made in the United States, BPA-free, and FDA-compliant. This dog toy is safe, non-toxic, and guaranteed to last longer. They are floatable, making them great for aquatic games. They are safe and non-toxic. Since they come in various colors, they are great for play in the snow, water, and grass. At number 2, we have the Goughnuts Virtually Indestructible Ball. This durable dog ball chew toy from Goughnuts was initially designed in 2006, and it was developed to be tougher and more durable while at the same time making it safer. It has a 3-inch diameter and suits dogs weighing between 30 to 70 pounds. As your aggressive chewing pooch plays with it, it bites at different positions, hence it can't wear off so fast. It is a long-lasting chew toy that has been made by polymer experts. The Goughnuts Virtually Indestructible Ball is indestructible, durable, and tough. It also comes with a lifetime guarantee. Whenever your dog chews through and damages the ball, the manufacturer can replace it for you. And finally at number 1, we have the goDog Checkers Elephant Durable Dog Toy. These canine chew toys are made of very durable and tough fabric material. They have chew guard technology that makes it suitable even for the most aggressive chewer. Longer lasting as compared to standard plush toys, and in case you don't like them, you can always get a replacement. They are also brightly colored for their visibility. The chew guard technology gives these dog toys extra toughness, which makes them fairly indestructible. Besides, its double stitches add to its durability as compared to others. This makes them perfect to accommodate even the most aggressive chewers. Thanks you for watching guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.